Hello there and welcome back to the new Power BI tutorial video. And in this tutorial video, I will show you how you can find the maximum values from a given expression. So we have been working with this table for a couple of expressions like the gross average sales, the minimum gross sales. And what we want to now do is find out the maximum value for a given subcategory based on the gross sale. So usually the max function which I have explained earlier just take one simple value which is a field value and give you the output. But here we can specify the expression and get the maximum value out from that. So over here, very simply, I will select the orders table and click on the new measure, and name of the measure I will give is the max gross sale. And we will use the function maxx, and here we will specify the table which is nothing but the orders table, the table over here, right? And then after comma we specify our expression which is sales table, the sales field plus the profit field. So you can, this is a very simple expression just from an explanation perspective, but it can be as complex as like you are trying to identify some sort of percentages and things like those. So whatever be the calculation is, you will going to find the maximum value. Okay, so max gross sale. So I just clicked over here to evaluate the function or the expression. It's present here. I select the table, and when I add this, it will going to give us the maximum sale for a given category. So our table is sort of complete with all the required fields like what is average of sales, what is average profit, the gross average sales, minimum gross sales, the maximum gross sales, just to get some ideas to what's going on. So we have minimum, maximum, and the average. Just one of those values which businesses need it. So that's what I wanted to show you very quickly. The use of maxx function. Go ahead and specify the expression that you want and find out the maximum value based on that expression and use it in your table or visualization. So if you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you can keep getting these videos directly in your inbox. Thank you.